Alright, so I've been in a precarious spot lately of trying to remember what the mission is. So I needed to go for a ride. This is the longest bridge in all of Vietnam. You see some kids over there racing. I would smoke both of them. But they got this barrier right here, so there's no way for me to cross over. I can't get my bike on that side. But yeah, this is one of my favorite spots. There is a road that goes down there to that little creek bed. And these are the rice paddies. I wonder who lives in there. So, anyways, let's talk. Try not to fall off the bridge and kill myself. You think that'd kill me? Would that be a deathly fall? So, anyways, yeah, I've been having trouble remembering what the mission is. Things should be good. Things should feel good. I mean, look at this. Look at this. And that's up on the way to Sapa. So I was racing up Sapa, and it's just like I want the mountain. It's either the mountain dies or I die. Like one of us is defeated. I can never go fast enough. I can never hit the curves fast enough. I always just want more. I always want to push the time a little bit quicker. And you just go up and down these things here. Crisscross. It goes on forever. But yeah, not die in the literal sense, but like die in the sense of like be defeated. Right? Anyways, I feel like the Winter Soldier without a mission. I really need to rediscover what my mission is. Like, what am I fighting for? They say, have I said this before? Never meet your heroes. Well, never achieve your dreams, because then you're gonna want more dreams. And I'm hungry. I'm hungry for a new challenge. Not that this became easy by any sense. Let's see if I can do this without dying. Oh boy. Oh boy. No. Not that this has become easy by any sense of the imagination, but yeah, I need to think of the future. We're going on year 3. This is the progress of year 3 being here in Lao Cai. See these right here? This is what we call lane splitting. So when you're racing down the mountain, you have to swerve through all these cars, and you'll sometimes hit blind corners, and you gotta hope that there's not gonna be a car on the oncoming traffic, because if there is, splat. Here's my bike. Batman helmet sitting over there. But yeah, they got this is the highest fence in all of Vietnam, and they got it locked off. So how those kids got over there to race, I don't know, but I'd race them, make some money if I could get my bike over there. Unless they went down there, how'd they get back up? Anyways, There's a lot of things I wish I could say. It's just, I guess, this YouTube stopped being a journal. It started being more of a way of expressing a love for Vietnam. So, I don't want to sour it by having a bad day. Let's just take it in. Just take it in. I'm not sure what they're doing over there. Chopping wood. Let's get one more look, and then we're gonna head back. It's Reunification Day and one of the King's holidays. There's a big holiday happening here. Something is just missing. I can't explain it. We're gonna ride down here. It's so fun riding down this road and seeing this kind of stuff. I wish I could make it to the top of Sapa, but I gave my word to teach a class. Or depends on what day it is. I wish I could just have a house right there. I'd build my house right there, and it'd be good. Hey, there's a crossroad. Let's go race these dudes. Let's go race them, see what's good. Let's see if they turn to the bike. They are turning. It's not look like creepers and that we're staring. We'll try to get them to race. We'll see what's good. But anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.